Hello. Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn whether FTP is vulnerable in man-in-the-middle attack or not. Because FTP does not provide encryption, it is vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attack. Okay, that is known as MiTM attack. So we are going to do that lab and we will learn the process of sniffing FTP credential using Wireshark. And for using Wireshark, we are going to use this Kali Linux machine. And for FTP server, I am going to simply use a software named Everything in Windows. Okay, so you can simply use Everything software in Windows. Go to Tools, go to Option, go to FTP server. You can see FTP server works on port number 21. You can create a username and you can give any password. Suppose I am giving 1234556. Okay, the password is 1234556. Okay, done. Now this Windows machine is acting as a FTP server. If you want to check the IP address of Windows machine, run simply ipconfig and you will know the IP address of Windows machine is 192.168.29.227. So this is the IP address of my Windows machine where FTP service is running. Now our task is to test the that whether FTP is vulnerable or not. Okay, so this is basically a educational purpose tutorial for cyber security, penetration testing, ethical hacking students who want to test that testing the protocols, like these protocols are safe or not. Okay, like they are vulnerable or not vulnerable. So you can test the protocols in this way. So I am going to show you how you can test this FTP service. So first of all, I have configured FTP server on Windows machine using Everything software. Very easy to configure. Just simply install. That is a 2 MB file, free to use. Now go to Kali Linux. Okay, and on the terminal, one terminal, open this one, this Kali Linux terminal. Okay, so let me zoom it. And another, here just search the Wireshark tool. Okay, Wireshark tool, because if you want to snip the packet, FTP credential means username and password. What you need to do, you need to capture. Okay, you need to capture what is going on, and we are going to test whether FTP is vulnerable or not. Okay, so just select the ETS 0 and click on scanning. Okay, now scanning is going on, but what we want to scan, we don't want to scan everything. We want to scan only port number 21, which is for FTP server. So here we are going to type TCP dot port equal to 21. This means don't scan all the ports, only scan for port number 21. I press enter, and now from here, this Kali Linux machine, I am going to log into the Windows machine using FTP. So I will just type FTP and the IP address of my Windows machine on which I have configured FTP server using Everything software. So I type this one, and you can see that on Windows machine, I have configured FTP server and I have given a username and password for this. That is username Linux and password 1234556. Okay. So I type here, I'm going to type here username Linux, and it's when it's asking password, I will type 1234556. Done. Enter. Okay, it's saying login incorrect. So first log out by, again type it Linux password 1234556. Enter. Now done. You can see ls command and done. I'm going to my Windows C drive, D drive, E drive, G drive, H drive. You can go to any drive. Okay. Now I'm going to the packet capturing tool, that is this one. Okay, and you can see this TCP packet, FTP packet is coming. Now click on this FTP or TCP packet and go to follow, and in follow you click on TCP stream, and here it is. You will get the information of your FTP, like Everything software is using. You can see that logged on, FTP password required, and all these things. Now go on this FTP packet, click on FTP, then go to follow, then click on TCP stream. Now here you can see it's password required for Linux. See, username is Linux. You can see there in the red section, and then you can see pass is equal to 1234556 and logged on. So you can see clearly see the username and password can be captured for FTP server. That's why it is known that and this is because FTP does not provide encryption. Okay, so one concept is clear, that FTP does not provide encryption, and that's why it is vulnerable to the man in the middle attack, that is also known as MiTM attacks, where an attacker can find out or the or manipulate data traffic between the client and FTP server, like because he can know the username and password what she's doing on. Okay, and this can be used for different purposes. I'm not going to tell everything here, because if you want something more you have to join the class. But you can know that how packet can be captured. Okay, FTP server packet could be captured. Also remember that HTTP packet capturing also could be done using Wireshark. You can test whether HTTP is vulnerable or not. You can test yourself, but if you are not able to test, I will test. I will create another video on that. If you want that video, please mention in that comment how to analyze the traffic of a web server using Wireshark, or how to get website login credential using Wireshark. Okay, like if you want that video, I will bring that video for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like if you like this video.